Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to print from your Xiaomi phone. So the first thing you should probably do is get the printer app from the Google Play Store, but luckily this is under the printing section right here. I can just add a service. So how we get here, this is under more connectivity options, and this will be under settings right here. So just swipe down from the top right and make sure we have this added first before we try to print. Otherwise, it probably won't discover the printer or anything like that. So let's go to more connectivity options and scroll on down to printing. Now we can go to add service. So let's make sure our printer is added. And this is going to show us some popular apps for printing. So we got Lexmark printer on service, Epson, and your printer might not be located under here, so you might want to search specifically for it. So if you got like a Brothers printer or something like that, and that's another popular one in the US. So get the printer app and install it, and this is very important. So this app will actually scan for the printer on your network now. So we can just install this. I think I got the right one there. So once it's downloaded, I can just discover my printer. So make sure you have your Wi-Fi turned on too. So go to Wi-Fi and then connect it with your printer, and your printer should be connected to the Wi-Fi too if you're going to be doing Wi-Fi printing. And then just open up the specific app, and you got to do all the legal information here just for Brothers and go to yes. And then we can select later or select now, and then we can go to print and then go to select now, and we can choose machine not connected to your network. Well, we can do machine connected to your network, and we can just discover it. Now I don't have a printer at my house, but at my parents' house when I go there, I should be discovering right now, and they'll connect and allow me to print. So a lot of times you're going to have issues just finding the printer or printing something from your phone. Make sure you have the printer application and you're connected to the Wi-Fi, and you should be able to discover it and start printing if the printer is actually working itself. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.